The Lenovo V15 G2 laptop is a reliable, affordable, and versatile device designed to cater to students, professionals, and casual users alike. With its robust specifications and sleek design, it offers a perfect balance of performance and functionality for everyday computing needs. Whether you're working on projects, streaming content, or browsing the web, the Lenovo V15 G2 proves to be a dependable companion. Display and design. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD FHD display, which delivers sharp and vibrant visuals. The 1920x1080 resolution ensures clarity, making it suitable for tasks like document editing, video streaming, and light graphic work. The slim bezels enhance the screen-to-body ratio, providing an immersive viewing experience while maintaining a compact form factor. The sleek black design exudes a professional and modern aesthetic, making it ideal for both work and casual use. Performance. Powered by an Intel dual-core processor, the Lenovo V15 G2 delivers adequate performance for a wide range of daily tasks. Paired with 16 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth multitasking, allowing you to switch between applications seamlessly. The 1TB SSD storage provides ample space for storing files, photos, videos, and software while significantly improving boot times and data transfer speeds. Whether you're writing reports, attending online meetings, or enjoying multimedia content, the performance is reliable and responsive. Connectivity and features. The Lenovo V15 G2 is equipped with a variety of connectivity options, including HDMI, which enables you to connect to external monitors or projectors effortlessly. The built-in webcam ensures you're ready for video calls and virtual meetings with clear visuals. With Wi-Fi support, you can enjoy stable and fast internet connectivity, making it suitable for remote work and online classes. Additionally, the inclusion of multiple USB ports ensures compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and devices. User experience and operating system. Running on Windows 11 Home, the laptop provides a modern and intuitive user experience. The refreshed interface, enhanced productivity features, and improved system security of Windows 11 make it a pleasure to use. Whether you're navigating through tasks or enjoying the integrated apps, the OS enhances overall efficiency. Battery life. The Lenovo V15 G2 offers decent battery life, allowing you to work or study on the go without constantly worrying about recharging. While battery performance depends on usage, it is adequate for a full day of moderate use. Portability and build quality. Despite its larger screen size, the Lenovo V15 G2 is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. The build quality is robust enough to handle everyday wear and tear, ensuring durability for long-term use. Who is it for? The Lenovo V15 G2 is perfect for students who need a dependable device for assignments and online learning, professionals requiring a versatile laptop for work, or anyone seeking an affordable yet capable device for general use. Conclusion. The Lenovo V15 G2 laptop delivers a well-rounded computing experience at an accessible price point. Its 15.6-inch FHD display, Intel dual-core processor, 16 GB RAM, and 1 TB SSD make it a solid choice for users who need a reliable machine for day-to-day tasks. With its modern design, ample storage, and practical features like HDMI and a webcam, this laptop is a great option for anyone looking for functionality and value in a single package. Whether you're working, learning, or simply staying entertained, the Lenovo V15 G2 is a dependable choice.